How to log in into Bank of America account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and then type in bankofamerica.com, search for it. You will be directed to the official website of Bank of America. Bank of America is one of the world's leading financial institutions serving individuals, small and middle market businesses, large corporations and governments with a full range of banking, investment management, and other financial and risk management products and services. Once you land to its official website, over here you'll find this section of login. Providing your credentials, you can easily log into your account. So firstly, type in your user ID and then type in the password. If you want to save your user ID, you can check in for this option. Likewise, in the case you have forgotten your ID or password and want to recover it, you can click on this option. If you need help regarding any of the details, you can click on this option of security and help. If you haven't created your account yet, you can click on this option, open an account and register for your account. After you fill this, click on this option of login, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log in into Bank of America account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.